How hard could it be to make a funnel? Pretty simple, right? But it turns out funnels get complicated fast. We tested 6 brands, including some sets, priced from $4 to $14, transferring lots of foods and liquids with different textures like peppercorns, olive oil, herbs, and barbecue sauce. We poured them all through the funnels into a variety of containers. Along the way, we looked at how easy the funnels were to use, store, and clean, and whether they were durable. Now there are 2 key factors, flow and stability. Now look, this squishy silicone one didn't flow. It was like milking a cow trying to get the food to drop down. Stumpy little spouts like this one, unstable. It tries to tip over as soon as you pour because it won't stay anchored in the container. This one also started flaking off little bits of plastic after we washed it. Who wants that in your food? But after all that, we had a winner. This classic funnel is sturdy with a wide 4-inch opening on top, so it's easy to pour into with no mess. It also has the longest spout, almost 2 inches, so it goes deep into the container and it stays in place while you pour. It passed all our tests. This is the Winco PF8 plastic funnel, 8-ounce size, and it's only about $4.
Thanks for watching America's Test Kitchen. What'd you think?
Well, leave a comment and let us know which recipes you're excited to make, or you can just say hello.
You can find links to today's recipes and reviews in the video description.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
See you later.
I'll see you later.